Silakan ke ruangan. Astagfirullah. Cynthia, kenapa? Suaranya nggak ada. Maaf, kelompok Mayang dan kawan-kawan, suaranya nggak jelas kalau Cynthia yang presentasiin.
Suaranya jelas nggak?
Jelas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Okay, we are from group 6.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We'll present our presentation. The material is model of implementation error analysis. And the first presenter is Cynthia. Cynthia, time is yours.
Maksudnya ini
Well, because India has a bad signal, I will present the first presentation. Model of implementasi error analysis. The implementation of error analysis is conducted by taking 5 samples of students. Pay attention to the data and how to classify and correct the errors. What has been stated in the previous unit that the procedure in error analysis has some steps. They are: the first, collecting of the sample; second, identifying of the error; the third, explanation of the error; the fourth, classification of the error; and the fifth, evaluation of the error. Next, there is a data of error analysis based on the procedure mentioned above. The first, I was born in Jakarta. Second, 1000 1988, and the error classification is at a word. Error correction is I was born in Jakarta on August 2nd, 1988. Second is I'm oldest in my family. Error classification is at a word. And the error correction, I'm the oldest in my family. The third is His name is Johan. He is 15 years old. Error classification is capitalization and add a word. And the error correction is his name is Johan and he is 15 years old. The fourth, and the fourth is my hobbies are read, write, poem, listen to radio. And the error classification is word form, add a word and article. And error correction is my hobbies are reading, poem, listening to the radio. And the five, my father get many parcels from Sosro. And error classification is word form and singular. And the error correction is my father gets many parcels from Sosro. And the next data, I ever danced on the stage. And error classification, word choice and word form. And error correction, I ever danced on the stage on Independence Day. The second, I played the doll with my friends in my free time. And the error classification is article. And error correction is I played a doll with my friends in my free time. And the third, I want to work at embassy company. And error classification is article. And the error correction is I want to work at embassy company. Next. Next will be explained by Rima. Rima, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Rani. Next slide. The first, when I was a child, I used to play jump rope, and hide and seek with my school's friends. The error word from and omit a word. Jadi ini di sini adalah I used to play jump rope and hide and seek with my school's friend. Hide itu dia aturan menggunakan kata hide, and terus my school's friend. S itu kan menandakan kata kepemilikan, sedangkan my itu sudah mewakili tanda kepemilikan itu. Terus the second, after I finish my study in here, I plan to go to other university to continue my study and also get a job in order to. Errornya di verb tense and verb choose and incomplete sentence. Jadi I plan to go to another karena ini singular. Terus to continue my study in order to get job, karena in order to itu adalah kata phrase, jadi harus diikuti tidak bisa berdiri sendiri apalagi ditaruh di belakang kalimat, jadi ditukar. Yang benar continue my study in order to get job gitu. The next, I'm a second from my family. Errornya di artikel and word choice. Jadi I am the second, bukan karena ini menunjukkan ordinary number. And terus from diganti dengan in. And the second, my parents, both my mother and my father work. Error, clarification, omit a word and word order. Jadi both itu sudah mewakilkan keduanya atau kedua benda. Jadi udah nggak perlu memakai my mother and my father lagi. Terus when I was in 6 years old, omit a word. Omit a word itu pengurangan kata. Jadi ini dibuang. Jadinya when I was 6 years old. Next. My father is a officer and my mother is a housewife. Error clarification-nya di artikel karena kalau A, I, U, E, O itu menggunakan artikel an. Selain A, I, U, E, O itu menggunakan artikel e. And the second, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Error clarification-nya in singular, plural and capital. Jadi I have 2 sisters. Karena sisternya ada 2, jadi harus ditambahkan kata s. Kemudian kapitalnya di brothernya harusnya b-nya kecil. And the last, when I was senior high school, I live in my own house but just 1 year. Error clarification-nya di at work, spelling, dan singular, plural. Jadi, when I was in senior high school, ada penambahan kata in sebelum senior high school. Terus, I live in my own. Di sini, own-nya kurang kata u. Gitu. Terus, but just 1 year. Jadi, 1 years itu adalah kalimat singular. Jadi, nggak perlu ada kata s-nya. Terima kasih.
And the next presenter is Siska. Siska, time is yours.
Okay, next. Now you can see there is table in the PPT. The finding of data analyzed above can be seen at the table of recapitulation of student error in writing below. Error classification. Singular, plural. Total student, 2 student. And persennya 7.6%. Word from. Total studentsnya 4. Persennya 15.3%. And for word choice, total studentsnya 3. Persennya 11.5%. Next, verb tenses. Total studentsnya 2 students and persennya 3.8%. Add a word. Total studentsnya 5 and percent 19.2%. Omit a word. Total studentsnya 3 and persennya 11.5%. Word order. Total studentsnya 2 and persennya 3.8%. Incomplete sentence. Total students 2 and percent 3.8%. Next. Next, capitalization. Total students 2 and percent 7.6%. Article, total students 5 and percent 19.2%. Spelling, total students 2 and percent 3.8%. Meaning not clear-nya kosong. And total dari semuanya 28 students and persennya 100%. Next. Data interpretation. From the calculation of error analysis of students rating above can seen that work from is in the first rank 19.2%, followed by word choice 15.3%, article and add award 11.5%, omit award, singular, plural, verb tense, and capitalization 7.6%, and word order incomplete sentence 3.8%, and the last error is on meaning not clear, that is 0%.
Well, next presenter is Mayang. Mayang, time is yours.
Okay, now about discussion. The first is singular plural. In students 5 table, the word sister must be in the form of plural, sisters, because after the word two must be plural form. On the table with sentence, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother, this sentence is wrong. And then the correct sentence is as follow, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. The second is capitalization. Still in the student 5 table, the word brother must use a lowercase letter b, not with capital, because written not in the initiative sentence should use a lowercase b, not a capital letter. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Wrong. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Right, because brother use b lowercase letter. Next. And then word from. The word sing and read must be singing and reading, because they are function as gerund, verb ing, from function as noun. And my hobbies are sing, read, jogging, shopping. The sentence is wrong. And then the correct sentence is, and my hobbies are singing, reading, jogging, shopping. And next, omit 1 word. In the students portable, the phrase yang sebelumnya Rani. In the students portable, the phrase my mother and my father are not used anymore, because in that sentence there is a word my parents, which means my mother and father. As in the student portable, the sentence my parents, both my mother and my father work. The sentence is wrong. And then the correct sentence is both my parents work. Next. And then article. In the student's first table, the use of article a second should be the second because it is used for cardinal number. As in the student for table, the sentence "I am a second in my family." This is sentence is wrong, and then the correct sentence is "I'm the second in my family." Then word choice. Still in the same table and the same sentence, the use preposition in is the right preposition rather than from because it has the meaning in the family. The sentence "I'm the second from my family." This is wrong sentence, and then the correct sentence is "I'm the second in my family."
And the next materi will be delivered by Cynthia. Cynthia, time is yours.
Next, Rani. 7 is spelling. There is misspelling in the word outhouse, which must be outhouse. In the wrong sentence is I live in my outhouse. This is a wrong sentence, and the right sentence is I live in my own house. This is a right sentence, and the act is verb tense. Kata I am pada kalimat di bawah ini harusnya was karena kalimat tersebut merupakan kalimat bentuk past tense. Kalimat yang salah yaitu when I was a child, I am a very bad girl. And the right sentence is when I was a child, I was a very bad girl. Next, Rani. And the next is incomplete sentence. The word in order to must be followed by parts and it can stand alone at the end of a sentence. The wrong sentence is after I finish my study in here, I plan to go to another university to continue my study and also get a job in order to. And the right sentence is after I finish my study in here, I plan to go to another university to continue my study in order to get a job. And the 10 is add a word. In this sentence needs addition of word in. The wrong sentence is when I was a
Cynthia itu mic-nya ke-mute.
Rani, next slide. And the last is word order. In the sentence, besides it needs omission of parts, it also needs to be in a good structure of word order. The wrong sentence is my parents, but my mother and my father work. And the right sentence is but my parents work.
Well, that's about our explanation. Anyone wants to give some additional?
Hello, hello. Is the presentation has been end?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, Didi.
Will give some additional or question.
Me, I want to ask.
Yes, Nina.
Related with Cynthia's explanation, tadi yang nomor 9 itu ada incomplete sentence. Kemudian the word in order to must be followed by phrase and it cannot stand alone at the end of the sentence. Jadi pertanyaannya, kenapa in order to itu tidak bisa berada di akhir kalimat dan kenapa sih harus diikuti oleh phrase? Seperti itu. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Next question.
Hello,
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but that is unclear.
I want to ask you, did it say is the presentation has been end? Please identify errornya di mana? Apa itu omit word atau yang dijelaskan? Tapi berdasarkan dari kata yang Didi bilang tadi, is the presentation has been end. Please identify it and explain it to us. You got it? My question?
Yes, Fiska, thank you. And the next question.
Halo.
Iya, Desma.
Jadi gini, kan tadi tuh Fiska, jadi dikasih statement dulu ya. Jadi Fiska kan bilang suruh analisis kesalahan Didi dalam penyebutan is it the presentation has been end atau ended tadi. Nah, jadi tuh sebelumnya katanya nih jurnal kalau menganalisis kesalahan itu ada 4 taksonomi untuk mengelompokkan kesalahannya. Jadi pertama itu linguistik kategori taksonomi, survei strategis taksonomi, sama comparison taksonomi, satu laginya communication effect taksonomi. Nah, kesalahan yang Didi perbuat atau kesalahan yang Didi perbuat itu termasuk dari 4 itu enggak, atau salah satu dari 4 taksonomi itu. Jadi dalam menganalisis kesalahan itu ada taksonominya gitu. Ada 4 kan. Kira-kira
Jadi maksudnya masuk kemana gitu ya? Okay, next question or additional.
perlu diulang nggak nama taksonominya apa? Apa nggak usah?
Boleh.
Ditulis aja, Jess.
Tulis saja.
Heeh.